today we have just witnessed agreement signing where Rakesh Agarwal of Laser Technologies is investing in Manleo, a technology company, an Indian-grown technology company.
When I, was approached by Manleo, I saw the same passion in their eyes, which I had, 15 years back. And the same challenges, the same pain, which was, I was addressing. It took me 15 years to, to overcome that challenge, that pain, and to get success. So, I wanted to, I always wanted to give something to MSME, and that's the only purpose I'm living right now. And we do a lot of things for MSMEs. And this was again, kind of golden opportunity for us, wherein such a beautiful company having such beautiful products, innovative products, wherein, they have that kind of innovation and passion in their products as well.
For many years, machine maker team comes first in the exhibition and we go in the last. And earlier times it was so challenging that we never used to get auto rickshaw to go to Nagasandra. From the time the metro started. Now the problem is that yesterday we gone to metro, the shutter was down. We have to wait for around 10-15 minutes. Then the shutter was open. So even metro never expected so much of people will be there. That is kind of the response. And the crowd what Imtex is experienced. Today is day 3 of the roundup. I am having with me Abha. For us at Machine Maker, it is always the youngsters who is helping us. It's not easy for them to understand the technology. They come to us thinking that it is a very easy job, but after coming here and they understand that they need to understand what is engineering, what is machine tools, what is metalworking and different things. I'm sure Abha, you are challenged in understanding the engineering. What is your experience first working with Machine Maker?
So, sir, being associated with Machine Maker brought me close to manufacturing. Manufacturing was something that I was never close to. I didn't knew manufacturing, but okay, coming here, I would not say that I'm still a pro at it, but yes, the basics of cutting tool, milling tools, lubricants, all these things are there in my head. So
you can at least understand this
right,
thing.
Yes.
At least seeing, okay, this is a cutting tool. Now
right.
You came to that
Yes.
position.
Yes.
But let me tell you, there are so many BTech or so many engineering students. I'm not telling all. Maybe some small.
Right.
They still don't identify these things. And if you are, see, by experience, by seeing is believing. If you are able to get that, that will be fine. You participated in many exhibitions, right? In during so many, Presitech, and you were there in that UMAC, and many exhibitions you have gone, and many parts of India. Have you seen something like Imtex?
No, to be honest, Imtex I feel is one of the biggest that I am witnessing here, because there are different types of industries who are participating, different kind of people, and almost many foreign delegates are also here. So it's a great experience seeing so many.
So I have seen in social media that you are in Hall 4. You are in Hall 1.
Yes.
And what is there in Hall 1?
So in Hall 1, I have a lot of people that I met, like UCAM is there, Fager Automation is there, they are into feedback systems. And right beside that is Nicholas Coria, which is a Spanish company that is into milling.
Talk to many people and understand what are their experience in day 3. We are having with us Harish Saab. Actually, he had a very challenging situation today. Okay, he was coming from Mumbai. He's from Nasik, Psycho Cranes from Nasik. So his flight was delayed, unfortunately. 4 o'clock he reached hotel, but he was not able to stop looking at these innovations he came. At this late hour, how was the experience?
It's a good experience. I have seen a lot of crowd over here, and fortunately we met the person at Matrix we wanted to visit, and tomorrow we are visiting them again. So all about the gear shaping, gear grinding and gear shaving machines, which is our requirement. So we'll be visiting them tomorrow. And we had visited one more stall. Again we are visiting them tomorrow for our future expansion programs and all that.
See, actually you are working in the Indian manufacturing for so many years. And I think India is changing, right?
Right, absolutely. It is cut sit over PM. And we are very confident that India will bloom.
See, this is the confidence we get when we talk to people, and you see that it is 6:30. From 6 o'clock, everyone is told, the security tells, please, please go. Okay, in Germany and all those things, what happens after this? The booth party starts. Here after 6:30, we need to go to a hotel and start the booth parties. But
Yeah.
but this crowd is something which is very, very, very
It is a
inspiring.
very fantastic to see lot of people taking interest. Earlier, I don't think though so many crowd was there, so many people were visiting, but now it is totally changed. And I feel proud to be Indian.
Actually, I met Vaishak during AMB September. Classes makes machine tool accessories. So, how was your experience here?
Last 2 days have been very good. Setup time it was a little tricky, but yeah, last 2 days are good.
You have made this cluster of Bangalore machine tools and you bring collaboration together. And I think many of your members are participating here.
See, cluster always brings a variety of solutions. So it's a good thing that we are 8 out of 13 companies who are participating, and we can recommend each other to each other's stall. So in fact, 2-3 of the cluster members recommended and we came. People came to our stall, we are sending, always helps because the customer gets a full solution.
See, basically, I have seen you talking to one of your oldest friend. So, can you introduce him and tell about your friendship and how you are going to make it great in Imtex?
At Imtex, of course, we are friends from a very long time outside of Imtex. We go back a long way. So, Chandrasekhar sir is known to me from the same line. We are in about the same line. And he has been doing it for probably longer than I have been running my company. So, yeah, I have to learn from him, not the other way around.
So, he's a legend.
No. Long journey starts with the first step for every person. The experience, the years grow. I can sell any product, provided my customer meets their requirement in price and delivery. Basically, my company in India earlier, it was belongs to Tata Group. When the Tata people has given work along with the Japanese counterparts, after the sudden demise of the Indian collaborators, partners, that given to loyal employees of Japanese.
So
that is
it's
the
like
tradition.
they brought some pioneering technologies from Japan to India. Amongst the first people to do that.
It's day 3 at Imtex, and here we have few college students from GTTC. Let's take their experience. Sir, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು?
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ಈ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಮಿಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಗೇನ್ ಆಯಿತು.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಮ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್? ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು?
ಇದು ಇಮ್ಟೆಕ್ಸಿಂದ ಇದು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ ಇದು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತಾ?
Invitation ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ವಿಕಾಸ್.
ಸೊ ವಿಕಾಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ಏನೇನು ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ?
ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಮಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ನೋಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನೋ ಭಾಳ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮಷಿನ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ಗೇಜಸ್ಗಳಿದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಮೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಟೂಲ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ತುಂಬ ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಏನು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಒನ್ ಡೇ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಲ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಜಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಹಾಲ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಬೆಳಗಿಂದ. ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೂ 2-3 ಇದಾವೆ, ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Okay, thank you. As you have seen now, this Genjis has not only been scrolling Instagram all day, but also has taken initiative to come to Imtex and taking some key takeaways from here and learnings. Day 3 at Imtex today. How was your day, sir?
Day was really good. Lot of customers, genuine customers are coming in and they're asking for the solutions and everything. They're coming looking for the complete range of products we are offering to them. Also, the new customers which are coming, they are having a lot of expectations. So, it's our duty to fulfill that. And at the same time, the students which are walking in, they're coming with lot of energies and everything. And they want to grab as much as knowledge they want. So, at Imtex, it's really very good.
अभी इमटेक्स बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है. मैं हॉल 4 में हूँ और टुडे इज डे 3. दिन का भी कोई आता पता नहीं है अभी.
Already tired.
We are just getting over. You cannot get tired. You see the people who are coming and visiting here.
It's too much.
Today I have not single moment to sit down, but very happy faces. Our own old customers. It's an opportunity. My old customers, existing customers come to us. We show them, showcase what value addition we can offer to them, what new we can present to them.
सर आप कहाँ से हैं?
मैं महाराष्ट्र कराड़ से हूँ।
आप यहाँ पे एक्सिबिट कर रहे हैं और आप यहाँ पे विजिट कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, विजिट किया मैंने यहाँ पे।
आप कितना हॉल में जा पाया?
मैं अभी सब घूम लिया, अभी लास्ट है, अभी निकल रहा हूँ बाहर।
कितना दिन में यहाँ पे थे?
3 दिन हो गया।
3 दिन हो गए।
जी हाँ।
तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है कि ये सब कुछ देख के इम्टेक्स में कुछ नया है?
हाँ, बहुत नया है, एनर्जी मिलती है यहाँ आने के बाद, कुछ आगे बढ़ने के भी एनर्जी मिलती है। तो अभी हमने 2-3 मशीन बुक भी की है, अभी वही फाइनल डिस्कशन इनके साथ भी चल रहा था, बुकिंग का, फाइनल बुकिंग का। और एक अलग ही एनर्जी आने के बाद मिलती है। सब बिजनेसमैन देख के थोड़ा सा अलग फील होता है और प्राउड भी होता है, और बहुत अच्छा है ये एग्जीबिशन। ऐसा होना चाहिए, मुझे लगता है हर साल होना चाहिए। 2 साल में एक बार होता है, मगर हर एक साल तो होना ही चाहिए।
Hello, sir. How was your experience today?
Very good experience, and we had a lot of customers coming in there. We had customers from overseas as well as from India. We had our old friends as well as new customers. So very good experience today. India right now, India is growing, and there's a lot of demand for the aerospace industry, for the defense industry and automotive industries. And we at Universal Tools are producing the latest cutting tools, especially for the aerospace, especially for the defense and automobile as well. And they are very precision for these qualities.
That's great, sir. Thank you so much.
Apart from exhibitors, there are some people who are also, helping people to eat food, which is very important. ऊट रोम्बा हिंदी अच्छा कन्नड़ा नहीं अच्छा ओके ओनली हिंदी खाना टाइम पे बहुत डिफिकल्ट है और यहाँ पे तो बहुत क्यों भी दिख रहे हैं और आप इम्टेक्स में क्या क्या सर्विसेज ऑफर कर रहे हो?
छोला बटर होगा, वेज बिरयानी है, चिकन बिरयानी है, प्लस थाली है, राजमा राइस होगा और छोला राइस।
ये सब कुछ जो बोल रहे हैं आप लंच की बात कर रहे हैं, आप शाम को 7 बजे यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं?
कूपन काउंट होता है सर, जो पूरे दिन सेल हो उसको कूपन भी तो काउंट होता है, कूपन काउंट करना पड़ता है।
मतलब एक 4 बजे से 7 बजे तक कूपन ही काउंट कर रहे हो, उतना बिजनेस हो रहा है?
बिल्कुल, इतना ही।
ठीक है, चलो, थैंक यू सर, ओके।
So as you heard from us, it is really great. We are experiencing a lot of fun as well as meeting new people here at Imtex, and we are expecting a lot more fun and lot more learning as well as lot more updates coming from our side here at Imtex. So do follow us and keep, cut it. I'll take it again.